In this video, a part of safety devices, we'll be discussing fuses and how to choose a fuse. First, let's start with what is a fuse. A fuse usually has the form of a cylinder or a cartridge. It contains a thin piece of wire made from a metal that has a low. If too large current flows in the circuit, the fuse wire becomes very hot and melts. As we said, the electric current is a flow of free electrons. Conductors allow the passage of electrons. When the free electrons flow between the atoms in a material, the free electrons collide with the atoms. Then the atoms will gain enough energy to vibrate. Because of the collisions and vibrations of the atoms, heat energy is produced. The metal in the fuse tolerates this heat energy. Any metal tolerates a specific amount of heat energy. If the electric current increases, the rate of flow of free electron increases. The rate of collisions also increases, so the atoms will vibrate rapidly, and a large amount of heat energy is produced. Then the temperature of the metal equals the melting point of the metal. The metal in the fuse melts, changing from solid state to liquid state. Like you see here in this picture, this is a blown fuse. Air is an insulator. On the fuse, it is written the rated current of a fuse. It is the maximum electric current that a fuse tolerates. The fuse blows, which means shutting the circuit off or getting an open electric circuit. The blown fuse must be replaced with a new one of the same size before the appliance can be used again. Here you can see what is the symbol of a fuse in a circuit. It is a rectangle, and here are several sizes of the fuses. The most common for domestic appliances are 3 ampere, 5 ampere, and 13 ampere. The correct fuse for a circuit is the one that allows the correct current to flow, but blows if the current is a little larger. If the correct current in a circuit is 2 ampere, then it should be protected with a 3 ampere fuse. If the correct current is 4 ampere, then a 5 ampere fuse should be used. This prevents you getting a shock and reduces the possibility of an electrical fire.